Good afternoon or morning or evening. I'm not sure when you're going to watch this. I'm actually not sure when I'm going to post it. But thank you so much for joining me. My name is Robyn and this is my channel. Today I have the box by Fashionsta. You want to see what's in it? Stay tuned. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed and you really like my channel and its content. Hit the notification button so that you get notified of all my future videos and giveaways. And click on the like button if you like the content. And if you're returning, as always, I so love my subscribers. They're the best subscribers in the whole wide world. So let's get into the box. I actually just pulled this from the mailbox, so I can't wait to see what's in there. This box is a monthly subscription. I want to say it's like $24, between $24 and $25. I've been getting this, I think, since the second box that came out, so I only pay like $19. So I'm never gonna give it up. Is that a song? Never gonna give it up, never gonna. Anyway, I won't sing. This has usually about 5 to 6 products in the box, and it has usually mostly skincare. There might be a palette or a lipstick or something like that in there. There is a card that tells us everything that's in here, and I believe they have their retail prices on there. Yes, they do include retail because we know we love retail. And I think the box also is pretty close to the retail prices. They don't over exaggerate, like they don't put like a facial serum in there and say it's worth like $200. So they're really, really good like that. So let's get into it. I'm so excited. And they do have the black little trail mix, as I call it, because my man always knows when I open a box because I leave a trail all throughout the house. So the first thing that is in this box is called Simply Even Tone Perfecting Butter. Anything that says butter in there is always good because it always goes on like butter. And it's vitamins A and E, meadow foam seed oil. And let's open it. It's a nice big box. But sometimes those big boxes can be deceiving. This one isn't. Oh. It's kind of a liquidy thing. So I don't know if it melted. I mean, I took it out of today's mail, so it did have a chance to sit in there for a few hours. Tone Perfecting Butter, Susan and Me. So that's what it looks like. I'm not going to open it because it looks like it could just actually fall right there on the floor. But I do want to read about it. And the Susan Me New York City, it says Susan and Me, Simply Even Tone Perfecting Butter at retails for $24. A gentle and soothing blend of shea, cocoa, and mango butters to be used on both the face and body for healthy, radiant skin. 100% natural, vegan, and cruelty-free. So I don't know if this goes on like a moisturizer, if it goes on after. I'm thinking maybe a before bed nighttime routine, but I gotta open it and smell it because it sounds like it would actually smell great. I'm just afraid because I think sitting in the mailbox it might have just melted. It probably has a cover. Oh, doesn't have a cover, but it's very liquidy. Oh my God. This smells great, but what I am going to do is put this in the refrigerator because it's very, very loose. And now I cannot close it. Okay, I think I'm gonna put it back in the box so it doesn't drip. But I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator so it hardens up. But that smelled awesome. So, awesome start. The next product is more like a sample size, but it could be a full product for this type of product. And this is Dr. Botanicals WM Watermelon Superfood 2-in-1 Cleanser and Makeup Remover. So let's check this one out. The Laura Makeup Labs Laura Sanchez Makeup, oh no, it's not that one. See, I'm getting off track. Dr. Botanicals Watermelon Superfood 2-in-1 Cleanser and Makeup Remover. This, I'm assuming this size retails for $10. A refreshing facial cleanser with powerful hydrating capacity and omega acids that remove any excess sebum on the skin, vegan and cruelty free. So not bad to have. Of course, my hands are still slippery from the butter. And it looks like we got 8 products in this box. And the next item looks more of a sample size. It is a 3 Graces Beauty Lip Savior Love Yourself. So it looks like it could be a kind of a lip balm. The 3 Grace Beauty Hydrating Lip Savior Treatment retails for $18. The Ultimate Lip Rejuvenator blurs fine lines and restores the lip delicate barriers for soft, plump lips all day. Made in the USA and cruelty free. So I'm thinking you probably put this on and then maybe you can put on your lipstick. And it's made in the USA, yay! And then, oh, we have a brush. Looks like it's an eye brush. Can you see that? And it feels really soft. And it's got, I don't know if you can see it, it's got a, like a grip to it. So for people that have slippery butterfingers, this is the Maurice Beauty Angled Shading Brush, and it retails for $28. This versatile angle brush effortlessly blends smudges and smokes powders or creams, eyeshadows, vegan and cruelty free. So that's not a bad item to have. Oh, and there's a big mama brush. This is the, must be the tapered blending brush. Create a soft diffuse, no, this looks too big. This is the, used to apply your favorite cream or powder highlighters to receive your routine oil. So this is the angle brush that retails for $32. And this one's hard to get out. So it appears we have 3 brushes in this kit. And this is like a highlighter brush. And again, super soft. And it's got the grip. So there must be another, whoops, sorry about that. There must be another brush in here. Oh, here it is. And this must be the blender brush. And it's got that same softness. So I'm dropping everything on the floor. That's the taper blending brush, and that retails for $28. So, and nice brushes. Then, I'm getting my trail mix everywhere. Okay, then it looks like we have 2 palettes. We have the Dominique Paul. Oh, but look at how shiny that is. Don't mean to like just stick that in your face. And this is the Dominique Paul Cosmetics Contour Palette. Who doesn't love a good contour palette? And this is $40. You ready? You ready? You ready? Ooh, let me hide the mirror. And I'm thinking they put 1 shade in for all skin types because look at those colors. I'm thinking that's got to be, I'm trying to get the right angle. That's got to be for all skin types. Do you love it? Wow. Should I test it out? We have May, Buddha, Dwayne, Tusk, Shy, and Samyai. But sometimes the colors are deceiving because they go on lighter than what's in the palette. But what a great contour palette. And I'm gonna see, they have the directions on the back, but some contour palettes actually put pictures to show you how to do the contour. And that's what I love. And if they don't do that, what I do is I go look at contour videos and try to follow along as they do the video. So not mad at that. Hold on, I'm dropping everything. And there's one more palette in the box. And I bet you it's an eye palette. This is such a great box. Whether you pay $19 or you pay the $25, so worth the money. It's kind of between the boxy base and the boxy premium. Oh, I didn't show you the packaging. Check out that packaging. Okay. And it's called Moods by Laura Sanchez. Are you ready? Are you sure you're ready? Oh, wow. What an awesome palette. Where's my card? I gotta hold the thing. This is an awesome palette. Okay, I have the dropsies ever since I touched the body, the butter. Look at this palette. Can you say awesomeness? The colors, we got some mattes and we got some shimmers. And actually, besides the yellow, I don't know how to use yellow, but we've got, you can use these for the highlighters, the corner of your eyes. This palette rocks. Wow, I'm so loving this palette. Let's read up on this palette. Let me put the card the right way. The Laura Makeup Slabs Laura Sanchez Makeup Woods palette retails for $25. So that retails less than the other palette. A versatile palette with matte and metallic shades, perfect to create endless combinations. Made in the USA, and it's cruelty-free. So let me just say again, whether you paid $19 or $25, the total retail value of this box, drumroll, $205. I do have a link, and I think you can save $5 off your first box. So if you like this box, or in my case, if you love this box, definitely check out the link in their website. But again, we got 8 products in this box. We got the 2 palettes, and I'm loving this eye palette. I just have to find a YouTuber who's gonna demonstrate how to use the contour palette, how they're gonna use the eye palette, because I wanna see that. I'm gonna go stick my butter in the refrigerator, and this cleanser, definitely gonna give that a try. And those makeup brushes, they are so soft. And I don't know about you guys, when it comes to makeup brushes, do not clean them. I clean them when I first get them and then never clean them again. So I always love getting new brushes. And let me know what you think. Leave comments below. Did you think this was a great box? What was your favorite product in this box? Do you get this box? So yeah, again, thank you so much for taking the time out of your busy day. And as always, you guys have an awesome day.